Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Tesla screen is blacked out. It is not loading. What you do is you need to do a reset, a soft reset where you basically need to do a restart and power cycling. Okay, so this is the official manual, by the way, from Tesla. First, shift your Tesla vehicle into park and then you hold down both of these scroll buttons on the steering wheel until the touchscreen turns black. Okay, completely pitch black. And then you need to wait approximately 30 seconds for this touchscreen to actually restart. So we are power cycling, right? And if the touchscreen still is unresponsive or is demonstrating unusual behavior after a few minutes, you need to power cycle the vehicle. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then a few seconds later, a Tesla logo should actually reappear. Okay, and the instrument panel should restart in about 30 seconds. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.